One pair of gloves on this list can stop rose thorns from reaching your skin, while another gives you full arm protection without sacrificing flexibility. Here are the 5 best thorn-proof gardening gloves of 2026. At number 5 is the Supersfel gardening gloves. If your garden is packed with roses, blackberry vines, or thorny shrubs, these gloves offer the kind of protection that makes difficult jobs much less stressful. Built with durable, genuine cowhide leather, they're designed to resist punctures while remaining flexible enough for everyday gardening tasks. One of their biggest advantages is the extra-long gauntlet sleeve that protects your forearms all the way to the elbows, helping prevent scratches when reaching into thick bushes. Inside, the gloves feature a softer leather lining that improves comfort during long gardening sessions. Even after extended use, they don't feel overly stiff, making it easier to grip pruning shears, hedge trimmers, or small hand tools with confidence. The snug cuff also helps keep dirt, leaves, and insects from slipping inside while you work. During testing around mature rose bushes and thorny vines, these gloves consistently stopped sharp thorns from penetrating the leather. They also held up well after repeated bending and heavy use without showing premature wear. While they're primarily designed for protection, they still provide enough flexibility for pulling weeds, planting shrubs, and handling most routine gardening jobs. For gardeners looking for dependable full-arm protection without spending a premium, the Supersfel gloves are an excellent place to start.
Coming in at number 4 are the Trifabricy leather gardening gloves. These gloves strike an impressive balance between rugged protection and everyday comfort. Constructed from abrasion-resistant cowhide leather, they provide reliable defense against thorns, rough branches, splinters, and common garden hazards while remaining surprisingly lightweight. Unlike many heavy leather gloves that require a long break-in period, the Trifabricy gloves become comfortable fairly quickly and adapt naturally to hand movement. That added flexibility makes detailed work, like transplanting flowers, trimming herbs, or tying climbing plants, far easier than with bulkier alternatives. The reinforced seams around the fingertips and palm improve long-term durability, especially in areas that experience the most wear. A breathable interior lining also helps reduce heat buildup during warm summer gardening sessions, making them comfortable even after several hours outdoors. Throughout testing, these gloves performed equally well for delicate gardening and more demanding yard maintenance. Whether handling pruning tools, digging around shrubs, or clearing brush, they maintained a secure grip without sacrificing dexterity. Gardeners wanting one pair that comfortably transitions between light and heavy tasks will appreciate the versatility these gloves provide. At number 3 are the SLARMOR long gardening gloves. For serious gardeners who regularly work around roses, bougainvillea, holly, or cactus, these gloves offer some of the highest levels of protection available. Made from premium split cowhide leather, they're specifically engineered to resist punctures while standing up to repeated heavy-duty use. Their standout feature is the extended leather sleeve that protects nearly the entire forearm. This added coverage becomes invaluable when reaching deep into dense hedges or pruning overgrown shrubs where hidden thorns are unavoidable. Despite their rugged construction, the gloves remain flexible enough to comfortably operate pruning shears, loppers, and other common gardening tools. The interior feels soft against the skin, reducing irritation during long landscaping sessions. Testing included rose pruning, cactus maintenance, and clearing thorny brush, where the SLARMOR gloves consistently prevented punctures while maintaining excellent hand control. Their strong stitching and durable leather construction suggest they'll continue performing well through multiple gardening seasons. If maximum protection is your priority, these gloves are among the strongest performers in this year's lineup.
Taking the number 2 position are the OIZEN Cowhide Leather Gardening Gloves. These gloves combine dependable thorn protection with the flexibility needed for precision gardening. Crafted from genuine cowhide leather, they naturally resist punctures, abrasions, and everyday wear while remaining soft enough for comfortable hand movement. One feature that separates them from many competitors is the breathable stretch fabric across the back of the hand. This design improves airflow and helps reduce sweating during long hours of outdoor work without compromising durability where it's needed most. The elastic wrist closure creates a secure fit while preventing dirt, mulch, and debris from entering the gloves. Another convenient addition is the touchscreen-compatible fingertips, allowing gardeners to answer calls or check gardening apps without removing their gloves. During practical use, the gloves handled everything from planting seedlings and tying vines to pruning thorny shrubs with excellent dexterity. Even after repeated exposure to moisture, soil, and sunlight, the leather remains supple without becoming brittle. For gardeners wanting one glove that excels in both comfort and protection, the OIZEN model is an outstanding all-around choice. Claiming the #1 spot are the COOLJOB Thorn-Proof Rose Pruning Gloves. Among every pair we evaluated, these gloves delivered the best overall combination of protection, comfort, durability, and control. Designed specifically for thorn-heavy gardening, they feature durable synthetic suede construction that offers excellent puncture resistance while remaining lighter than many traditional leather gloves. The extended cuff provides generous forearm coverage, protecting against scratches from roses, berry bushes, brambles, and dense ornamental shrubs. Inside, the breathable lining keeps hands comfortable even during long pruning sessions, helping reduce fatigue over hours of continuous work. One of the most practical design features is the textured silicone grip across the fingers and palm. This added traction makes it easier to maintain control of pruning shears, trowels, and other garden tools, even when working in humid conditions. Throughout testing, these gloves consistently provided dependable thorn protection while allowing precise finger movement for detailed gardening tasks. The stitching remained secure, the materials resisted wear, and the overall fit felt almost immediately. Whether you're maintaining a small backyard garden or tackling larger landscaping projects, the COOLJOB gloves deliver the performance that earns them our top recommendation for 2026. That's our pick of the best thorn-proof gardening gloves for 2026. Check the links below for the latest prices and choose the pair that fits your gardening needs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.